Hey guys, so it's around afternoon already. Woke up late, went to the gym early this morning, and yeah, it's been a while. Been to the gym. My body hurts a bit. Woke up late, got some chicken for breakfast and lunch, and right now I'm gonna try to finish working on my uh, streaming case. So I was about to buy a Think Tank Logistics Manager, but it's too expensive and I can't afford it. So my hair looks like shit. So what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna finish this. I made some latches here so that I could strap the tripods around it. My hair looks like shit. I'm gonna put it underneath. Yeah, and then I'm annoyed with these plugs. You see these plugs here? They have these wing tips wherein when you plug something, it goes in the way. So I'm gonna grind them with my sharpening tool. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do for today. I don't know what's next. I want to go out, do something, but it's just too cold, and it's Sunday. I might as well stay home. I've been staying home though for quite a while, but yeah, I'll try to see something done today. Also, I want to shoot something out a bit far from here, but I don't have money for petrol. I'll see what I can do. Anyway, yeah. Okay, going back, what is said about videos, I was planning to do, what was I going to say? I was planning to make an artistic cinematic video for myself before, and I stopped editing videos, vlogs for this channel, and it's been months that passed and I haven't done anything, so I just realized that, yeah, might as well do what I do, like vlog and don't care about it, because I'm more productive. I do a lot of videos then. Yeah, so this channel is just mainly made for vlogs. I just do some cinematic cool stuff once in a while, but this is my diary. I need to remember that, and shouldn't care what others think. So yeah. Plus, I love blabbering a lot, so I'm gonna blabber a lot. Sorry for you guys who don't like it. Just go look for another channel if you're not interested in me blabbering. So this was the initial project. Oh yeah, so we're just gonna strap all the tripods here. 2 tripods for the cameras and 1 for the streaming setup. And you can just, yeah. Here it is, okay. So there you go. Next project is a charging box wherein I can charge some USB and has a power outlet outside. I'm gonna put a hole here, and yeah, I'll see how I go. Okay, I'm gonna try to also to have this power use a V mount to power it. Fingers crossed we get this done.